New Year's Day too. Kan chungin rot at the chung nen kan nu pa nen heta hianin cho kan ron ei don ni chu Mexican restaurant ya al caramba ani ta hianin an ina tanga la lo te a hianin ya Okay, oh, maybe sleeping. Hi, what you have, baby? Chips? Oh, they have some rice. Wow. Hi, Margot. Pretty baby. You okay, baby? You're still tired, aren't you? Is it good?
Yeah, I've never had this before.
Oh, really?
I made a vegetarian version for you guys. Shredded beef.
What do you got with that?
Cheese enchiladas.
Oh, that looks yummy too. Looks really yummy. Oh, bag! Maybe it needs a bigger plate. Maybe put it on here so.
Well, and you don't have any. Mila, can you sit on the chair?
Okay. Yummy.
I'll take more. Chili.
Oh wow. And Maeve too. Muhilani. Cool.
Noodle and shredded beef.
Okay, noodles and beef. More.
Chili, onion, and
Chili, onion. Okay.
I gotta put her in here. Okay.
Kan mo riyak ni Sonia oh.
You like the food, honey?
Now pakatin hudeb.
That rice looks nice.
At sa may siya so. Restaurant ako. Aruk David. Akord no ya. Depende so. So is it really yummy?
It is good.
And like you never came here before.
No. It's right
So
down
now
the street.
the depe pa eat so rainy so. Addie.
Hey, hon.
Yeah.
Can you put a little rice on here?
Yeah. Addie? Hey, are you done? Yum.
Eat a lot of tortilla.
Then say cheese. And
don't want any more?
Mila is still sleeping.
Rain out.
Bex, say hi to Andy.
Baxter. Hi, baby.
Are you guys driving through the snow tonight? Most likely.
What?
Hey, good car.
Lampangin bar bet no. Miền tầm Bắc lâu này New Year anh nha. มันบวยเตะไหมเนี่ย Where are you going with that? Oh, he. Hi, Milboo. She's tired. But there, you gonna eat? Your food is waiting for you. Hi, Baxter. Hello. Are you tired? Can I see your face? Maybe. Làm y tuyết hộp mấy. Thế cả bạc hạt chút bầm thề ngay à. Are you looking outside the window? Hi, Addie. Did you get enough to eat? Let me see. Oh, okay. Hi, baby.
What's up there? Where's that? Who's that baby down there?
Maeve is awake now.
Hi, Maeve.
She is awake. And you're still sleeping.
And here's Mila Joe. Hi, Mila.
We're going home now. Ê, khẩm tâm. His cheeks so big. It's so cold.